In this video, I'm going to show you how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end, so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your profile. Tap Add menu and select Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Account Center. Personal Details. Account Ownership and Control. And then Deactivation or Deletion. Then select your Instagram account. Deactivate account option is selected by default. So on that step, you just need to tap Add Container. And then we'll be asked to enter our Instagram password. Once you've done that, tap Add Container. Select any option from that list, like Just Need a Break. Scroll down and tap Add Continue. And then we just need to confirm temporary account deactivation. To do that, tap at that button. Now it says that the account has been deactivated. And that's how you can easily temporarily deactivate your account. If you would like to reactivate it again, you need to just log into that account. Now you know how you can temporarily deactivate and then reactivate your Instagram account.